Today we're going to look at the venerable T-Fal 10-in-1 multi-cooker. This unit replaced a traditional crock pot we had about 4 years ago, and now I simply cannot imagine a kitchen without some type of multi-cooker. It is so much more versatile by comparison than the old-style crock pots, with its real value lying in the wide range of different ways it can be used. For this evening's meal, I'm going to boil and steam 3 different vegetables as side dishes to the breaded chicken I'm preparing in my T-Fal Actifry with accessory basket. While at the same time, I'm going to be producing a nice chicken broth to make gravy for this meal and for future use. These units are manufactured by T-Fal, a company based in France, and are widely distributed by a number of different retail outlets in North America, which include Amazon and Walmart. They range in price around $100. To be clear, I'm not attempting to sell anyone on this particular machine. I like it because of its size and the simplicity of its control panel, while at the same time recognizing that everyone's cooking needs are different. So these units have 3 basic parts. You see the body here with the control panel. Open it up, you have the steaming basket and the pot. Now the pot, I'll show you the interior here. This is 2 liters. 2 liters of usable space, just a little more than 2 liters. The pot is made of aluminum and has the patented T-Fal non-stick Teflon coating. This will be the first part of this unit to wear out, but the good news is that you can buy a sold separately replacement pot directly from T-Fal. So I'm going to take some mini potatoes. I'm rendering them so they're all the same morsel size. And there are the potatoes, all chopped to similar sized morsels. Now 4 medium-sized carrots are chopped into morsel sizes similar to the potatoes. Now these 2 vegetables are ready to go into the pot of the multi-cooker. Now I'll be adding a chicken bouillon cube to this, to the bottom portion. After the carrots and potatoes boiling in it, it'll make great water for gravy. So in goes the chicken bouillon cube, which will dissolve in there. The beauty of this tray here, this top tray, is you can use it to rinse the vegetables that are going into it as well. And those are my side dish vegetables. Right, I'm going to plug it in now. You can see how it reacts when it gets power. Now it's a simple case of choosing which setting you're going to use. Now I'm steaming these vegetables, so I'm going to choose steam, but I know from experience that I need a little more time here. So I'll bump up the time to 40 minutes, and then I will hit the power, and away we go. I've been preparing my chicken. Now you can see the timer there. And if you've seen my other video about using the T-Fal Actifry basket, you know that this takes 26 minutes. So I will have all of my meal actually prepared, cooked, and arriving to the dinner table at the same time. And there we go. Some nice steamed vegetables. And the chicken done in the T-Fal Actifry accessory basket. And then of course my gravy hack. I don't know if you can see that, but that tops it all out. And there's the finished product. 2 kitchen gadgets produce a nice meal, virtually unattended. And finally, an important byproduct is the broth made by adding a chicken bouillon cube to the water the carrots and the potatoes are boiled in. Well, that's it for now. Join me next time when I demonstrate my Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe. I hope to see you then.
When stars won't shine for you, and your dreams turn black and blue, on those dark nights you'll be alright, I'll be right there with you. Together we'll see it through. When stars won't shine for you, and your dreams turn black and blue, on those dark nights you'll be alright, I'll be right there with you. Together we'll see it through.